Welcome to the further demonstration of car anti-theft system by using face recognition. And whenever the unauthorized person trying to access the vehicle, then the system will send the message alerts along with email alerts. The email consists of the particular person pic, and the message consists of the location of this vehicle. So here we are achieving the face recognition with the help of Raspberry Pi by using this Pi camera. So we have interfaced this to the Raspberry Pi 4, and inside this Raspberry Pi we are inserted a 32 GB memory card which was loaded with Mac Raspberry Pi OS, and we have coded the system in Python language. So with the settings like for face recognition and sending SMS alerts and mail alerts. So here in this version we have added the feature like this dynamic for face recognition, E for erasing the old data sets, F for format, E for enroll, F for format the old data sets. And here the LED indication will show the status of authorized and unauthorized. So when the person is authorized by this face recognition, then the system will switch on the DC motor, and when they are not authorized, so red LED will get switched on and buzzer will get switched on, and SMS alert will be sent through this GSM module, and the particular SMS consists of location that will be rated by this GPS module. So here we have interfaced the IR sensor to detect the person those who are trying to access the vehicle. So we have covered this black tape in order to eliminate the external sunlighting fall on this IR sensor module. So coming to the interfacing connections, so we have interfaced the all inputs like IR control buttons to the Raspberry Pi at pin numbers. So IR sensor was interfaced at the 18th pin, or there is a GPIO pin, and these two control buttons at 23, 24. GPS was interfaced through this USB to TTL. Why? Because Raspberry Pi consists of only one hardware serial communication, that is 14, 15 here. So here we need to interface the two serial communication modules. One is the GSM and the GPS. So these two are the serial communication modules. So GSM was interfaced at the 14, 15 directly hardware UART, and now we are going to use the USB as a serial communication. For that purpose, we are using this USB to TTL converter. So that was connected to the GPS module, GSM at 14, 15, and buzzer at 5th pin and the 6th pin for this switch. So the switch purpose is whenever the ignition got switched on by authorized granted. So if you want to switch off this motor, you need to press and hold this button, then only the motor will get switched off. And the next two LEDs. So in this one, green LED interfaces to 21st pin and on 27th pin for the red LED parallelly to the buzzer. Whenever the red LED gets switched on, buzzer also will get switched on. These two are connected in parallel. So these are the input and output connections. And in this one, Raspberry Pi 4, this is a module, Pi camera, control buttons, 16:2 LCD screen interface at pin number 17, 27, 22, 9, 10, 11 pins. So this is LCD and LED indications, DC motor. To control the DC motor, we are using this transistor board. Same like buzzer also. Okay, so this buzzer board consists of transistor board. So here we remove the buzzer and we connected the DC motor, GSM module, and this is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply, as well as for this push button switch purpose we are using this breadboard connection. So before on the kits, let me show you the outputs also. So like this, we are going to receive the messages. Somebody will access in the vehicle, and the mail consists of location as well as the photo. This is about the mail. And coming to the SMS, right, when we are demonstrating this project under the sky view, we are getting 00 values here. So if we place this under the sky view, we'll get the live locations. Under the roof, we'll get the 00 location values. So now on the hotspot for mail sending purpose, we need to provide the internet service for the system. So enable the hotspot in your phone, that is project 5518, and password should be 123456789. If your phone consists of AP band, that should be 2.4 gigahertz. So these three are the important: on the hotspots, on the data, and log into the Gmail and stay on that one. And after this, the next setup is we need to insert a valid SIM card into the GSM modem. Right. So if you use the adapter with a bigger SIM card, you need to insert in this manner, and notch should be like a shown, and lock it. So right after inserting that valid SIM card, so the first setup is on the hotspots, and next insert the valid SIM card, and now on the power supply to this one. So we can observe that the device will be connected to your phone. You can check that one device is connected in your mobile phone, and let's see that the green LED will blink fast initially. When it get the signal, the blinking red will be slowed down, right? You can see that the blinking red got slowed down. So it will take around 15 to 20 seconds for the booting. Once the booting successfully done, then there will be a welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen, right? So now for face data set database clearance. So for clearance purpose, format that. So I am formatting the data set. Deleting the data set. Now the old data set got erased. So before switch off that, we need to set data set. Now I am standing in front of that. Right. So it's enrolling. So it will take 45 images for sampling purpose. While you are giving the input to the camera, you can place the face in different directions and different expressions so that the data set will be getting the high precision. So while demonstrating, we will get the accurate data for recognition purpose. So it will take 45 seconds around. Right, its faces enrolled. 45 captured, faces enrolled. Okay, and let us provide the IR input. So when the person is standing in front of that, so we can see the IR light is let us see. So we got the SMS alerts. So when your face was not recognized properly, we need to erase the old data set again. We need to provide the new data set. So we got the email alert also. This consists of my image. So when I stored my image, so it was captured in this manner. So we should stand properly while providing the dataset input. Let me erase the old one and create the new one. So right now I created my dataset again with a proper view angle. Now I'm just placing the input to the IR sensor. So now my face got recognized and access granted. The motor got switched on. So if I want to switch off it again, this is the off switch. So with wrong view angle, now face is not recognized. So now the system will execute the SMS first and then after sending mail alerts. So we got the mail message alerts. Right, we got the email alert again. So you can see that wrong view angle. So the person who knows about the system, he knows where the camera view angle. Then he will sit properly near to the camera. Then the access is granted, so that the ignition will get switched on. Right. Okay. So for image capturing and detection recognition, it will take maximum of 600 to 700 milliseconds only. So why? Because we are using the Raspberry Pi 4 with 2 GB of memory RAM, so that the system will execute these steps in fast manner.